Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Summer Infant My Size Potty Training Toilet for Toddler Boys Girls, with flushing sounds, and wipe dispenser. It's the perfect size, blends with everything else in the bathroom, not tacky, and is very easy to clean. After couple days, and one sitting in clothing, and another without diaper, the third sitting was successful. The tank can store a small board book, but most of our board books were too big. If you have a boy, you'll find it in your best interest to get a potty with an integrated splash guard, not one that is removable. Well, fast forward to last month, and while walking around naked he decided to go potty all by himself. It comes with a removable bowl that is plastic, and simple to dump, and clean. Nice little spot to put wipes in as well, although it would be more convenient if that was more accessible to the child. Her parents purchased a seat that goes over the existing toilet, and has had very little success. It's very easy to clean, and it even comes with a little plastic splash guard attachment so that liquids don't splash up on the kids, or the floor. Love how it looks realistic, so it made for an easier transition to the big potty. So far, the best way I've found to clean it is to wash it unassembled in the dishwasher. If it could be tore up it would have been already. The back just comes off. She has threw it in the shower, and messes with it every day. There are 3 screws that you need to screw in to assemble with. Was fairly easy to do. The P-shield for boys was great, but fell off very easily, but all in all the potty is fantastic. He loved it, and knew what to do every time. Helps keep things light, and fun, but functional. This potty has rubber on the bottom, so when she gets off, and on, there is no slipping, or even moving. It also has a lot of little areas that dirt pay can get into, so it isn't as easy to keep clean as some of the more simple potties. It is reported to be appropriate for kids up to 50 pounds, but this is a gross overestimate. Too wide. The top of the toilet doesn't snap on, or clip on, or something doesn't make sense to me. It pops off easily. Every time she sits on it, she smiles, and is very proud to be on the potty. She doesn't have any issues getting the bowl out on her own, so she can empty it into the toilet. She had some trouble with it sliding on the floor at first, but she figured out how to sit down without moving it pretty quick. It's not a big deal, doesn't affect the functionality, so it's not a huge deal. The top storage part has never seemed to latch correctly, but Babe rips it off sometimes anyway. This is a cute little seat. It's definitely more for younger kids, 18 mo to 12. There are not too many nooks and crannies that would allow for hidden dirt, which is good. The really annoying thing about this toilet is that it does not have a lid. The seat lifts, which is great for teaching a little boy to stand while peeing. Girl, which is great, but does fall off easily when knocked into when child is trying to sit down. So this is a very cute potty, and it's the perfect size for a 2 years old. Also, with the wipes in there, the kids enjoy taking them out and throwing them around. This thing is phenomenal, and for the price you truly are getting a great deal. But it was like pulling teeth to get her interested, let alone getting buy-in. Has 97th percentile for height, but he seems to be too big for this chair already. The better thing to do is buy a toilet seat with a toddler-size seat built in. There is a little compartment on top where a few wipes can fit in, but that is about it. The space for the wipes could be improved, maybe have a slot on the top to be able to pull one wipe at a time. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.